Hi, it's Damien. I'm going to show you how to preview in the browser a template page, a HTML page, preview it in the browser for mobile view or tab view as opposed to the desktop view that it shows. This is Expression Web. Dreamweaver I think does have an option for other devices, but Expression Web and a lot like Composer don't. A lot of free ones don't. So let's have a look. Up here you can see the preview button. But if I preview that, there are no real options. It's just for browsers. So let's see in Internet Explorer. Okay, so previewed in the browser, this wireframe, and it's desktop version. It's the full screen. It didn't give me an option for other devices. So what can I do in Internet Explorer? Well, I could right click and let's see. Inspect element. Go to inspect element. Right, okay. Here we have the source code for inspecting element. So this side HTML, here you have styles, CSS styles. Now here I found an emulation button. Document mode 11, browser profile, desktop. Now here on document mode, let's have a look. Click down. No, it's not there. Windows Phone. Now this should change the view. Okay, so let's have another look. Portrait. Windows. Okay, here we are. It's on the user agent string. Windows Phone 10. So let's have a look. So Apple Safari iPad, and it's changing, behind me it's changing the screen resolution. So it's still bigger, but it's how it would look on that. Okay, that was one way to show it. I'll show you a better way. I found a much superior way. It's actually on Google Chrome. So I'm going to press the preview button again, but down here there's an option for Chrome. So let's try Google Chrome. Okay, I've just previewed in the browser with Google Chrome, and this is the full desktop version. That's how it would look, desktop version. So I'm going to right click, inspect the element. Okay, by inspecting the element, again it's brought up the HTML and the CSS, but it's superior, i.e. because it's on the right side. It's already divided the page up, which is a bit better. Now, up here at the top on Google Chrome, I can find here a responsive tab. So that's in iPhone 5 at the moment. I can change that to how it would look on a Galaxy S5, and it's opened up a bit. We'll try that again on Pixel 2. So this wireframe is responsive. As you can see, the open nav, the nav bar has gone to a button. That's how it would look on the mobiles. Navs aren't very mobile friendly. iPad Pro and so on and so on. The button is up here. Took me ages to find anything yesterday. I couldn't find anything on YouTube. All the emulators were for sites that were actually already hosted. So if you want to see what your template looks, if it's not hosted, this is the only way I found to do it. So let's look down here again. How would it look on a Pixel 2 XL? And so on and so on. Okay. So Google Chrome's probably a slightly superior way of doing it than Internet Explorer. Let's have a look again. iPhone X. Is that a smaller one? Seems to be a smaller one. So you can see the site's diminishing. It's stacked. Those boxes are now stacked. If I go back to a Galaxy S5 or iPad, it should come out a bit. It come out, so the gallery's widening.